Hello dear students, in this video I'll continue with the 7th unit financial mathematics. Here I will discuss about depreciation, the terms related to depreciation, and we will see how we can use linear or straight line method of depreciation to find the annual depreciation. We'll also solve the questions from exercise 7.7 on linear or straight line method of depreciation alone. First we will see what is depreciation. We are familiar with this term depreciation with respect to vehicles and all individuals. So if we take from the point of view of a factory, the decrease in the value of the assets such as building, machinery and equipment of all kinds is called depreciation. So we are familiar with depreciation with respect to two-wheelers or cars, etc. In companies also this term is used. The decrease in the value of assets such as building, machinery and equipment is called depreciation. Then we have the next term which is called scrap value, residual value or the salvage value. The value of the depreciable asset at the end of its useful life, it is called the scrap value or residual value or the salvage value. Then we have the total depreciation or the varying value. Total depreciation, it is the difference between the original cost and the scrap value. That is called the total depreciation. And then we have the book value of the asset. The difference between the original cost of the asset and the accumulated depreciation at any given date is called the book value of that asset on that date. So these are some of the terms related to depreciation. When we have questions on depreciation, all these terms will come. Now moving on to linear or straight line method of depreciation. Under this method, a percentage of original cost is written off every year. Written off means it is reduced every year as depreciation. As a result of this, the amount of depreciation is uniform every year. So according to this method, the annual depreciation, it is given by D is equal to C minus S upon N, where D is the annual depreciation, C is the original cost of the asset, and S is the estimated scrap value or the salvage value, and N is the useful life in years. So if we want to know the total depreciation, then the total depreciation will be the original cost of the asset minus the scrap value. So C minus S is the total depreciation. So using this formula, let us solve the questions from exercise 7.7. The first question, a machine costing rupees 30,000 is expected to have a useful life of 13 years and a final scrap value of rupees 4,000. Find the annual depreciation charge using the straight line method. So here the machine is costing 30,000 and it is estimated to have a useful life of 13 years, and at the end of 13 years, its value is rupees 4,000. We need to find the annual depreciation charge using the straight line method. So first let us write what is given. Given C is rupees 30,000. Then the scrap value is rupees 4,000. Then N is 13. So the annual depreciation is given by C minus S upon N. So it is 30,000 minus 4,000 upon 13. This is 26,000 upon 13, which is 2,000. So this is equal to rupees 2,000. Therefore, the annual depreciation D is rupees 2,000. Next question, an asset costing rupees 15,000 is expected to have a useful life of 5 years and a scrap value of rupees 3,000. Find the annual depreciation charge using straight line method. Again, it is a direct question. So here the cost of the asset is rupees 15,000 and the scrap value is rupees 3,000, and its useful life is 5 years. Now the annual depreciation charge. D is equal to C minus S upon N, or it is equal to 15,000 minus 3,000 upon 5. So it is 12,000 by 5, which is 2,400. Therefore, the annual depreciation is rupees 2,400. It is per annum. The next question. A firm bought a machinery for rupees 7,40,000 on 1st April 2018, and rupees 60,000 is spent on its installation. Its useful life is estimated to be of 5 years. Its estimated reliable or scrap value at the end of the period was estimated at rupees 4,000. Find the amount of annual depreciation and rate of depreciation. So here a firm bought a machinery for this much amount and spent rupees 60,000 on installation. Its useful life is estimated to be 5 years and scrap value was estimated to be rupees 40,000. We need to find the annual depreciation. So here C will be the cost of the machine plus the installation charges. So C will be the sum of these two. So it is 7,40,000 plus 60,000. So this is equal to 8 lakhs. And then the scrap value is given as rupees 40,000 and N is 5. So we have D is equal to C minus S upon N. So it is 8 lakh minus 40,000 upon 5. So this is 7,60,000 upon 5, which is 1,52,000 per annum. So the annual depreciation, the amount of annual depreciation is rupees 1,52,000 per annum. They have also asked the rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation is the percentage of annual depreciation of the total cost. Rate of depreciation, it is equal to D upon C into 100. So it is 1,52,000 upon 8 lakhs into 100. So this is 19%. So the rate of depreciation is 19%. So every year the machinery is depreciated at a constant rate of this 19%. Next question. Shiv and company purchased a mobile phone for rupees 21,000 on 1st April 2019. The estimated life of mobile phone is 10 years, after which its residual value will be rupees 1,000 only. Find the amount of annual depreciation according to linear method. So here again everything is given directly. So here the cost of the mobile phone is rupees 21,000 and its residual value or its scrap value will be rupees 1,000 and the useful life is 10 years. So the amount of annual depreciation according to linear method, D is equal to C minus S upon N. So it is 21,000 minus 1,000 upon 10. 20,000 upon 10, which is 2,000. Therefore, the amount of annual depreciation D is given by rupees 2,000. Moving on to the last question. On 1st April 2015, Dreams Limited purchased an AC for rupees 3 lakhs and incurred 21,000 towards freight, 3,000 towards carriage and 6,000 towards installation charges. It has been estimated that the machinery will have a scrap value of rupees 30,000 at the end of the useful life, which is 4 years. What will be the annual depreciation and the value of machinery after 4 years according to linear method? So here the cost incurred will be the sum of all these, and the scrap value is rupees 30,000. We need to find the annual depreciation and the value of machinery after 4 years according to linear method. So first let us write what is given. So total cost will be 3 lakhs plus 21,000 plus 3,000 plus 6,000. So this is equal to rupees 3,30,000. And then the scrap value is given as 30,000. And it has a useful life of 4 years. So N is 4 years. So we have the annual depreciation charge D is equal to C minus S upon N. So it is 3,30,000 minus 30,000 upon 4. So it is 3 lakhs upon 4, which is 75,000. So the annual depreciation charge, it is rupees 75,000 per year. Now they have asked value of the machinery after 4 years. So the value of the machinery will be 30,000. We can write directly. So to understand depreciation schedule, for this problem alone I am writing depreciation schedule. So the depreciation schedule is given by, here we have year, and then here we have the annual depreciation, and then accumulated depreciation, and then the book value. So the useful life of machine is 4 years. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the beginning of the year the depreciation is 0, accumulated depreciation is also 0, and the book value is 3,30,000. Then at the end of first year, annual depreciation is 75,000, second year also 75,000, third year also 75,000, and fourth year also 75,000. Accumulated depreciation at the end of first year will be 75,000. At the end of second year it will be the sum of these two. So 1,50,000. At the end of third year it will be the sum of these three. So 1,50,000 plus 75,000, 2,25,000. And at the end of fourth year it will be 2,25,000 plus 75,000, 3 lakhs. Here book value at the end of first year will be, it will be the initial cost minus the depreciation. So it is 2,55,000. At the end of second year, book value will be the initial cost minus the accumulated depreciation. So 3,30,000 minus 1,50,000. So it is 1,80,000. At the end of third year, it is 3,30,000 minus 2,25,000. It is 1,05,000. And at the end of fourth year, it is 3,30,000 minus 3 lakh, which is 30,000. So the value of machinery after 4 years, it is rupees 30,000. So this is the answer. I hope this video was useful for you. With this, the 7th unit financial mathematics is over. Thank you for watching.